In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a collapsible, kind of foldable mini chair. Look at the size of it. Believe it or not, there's a chair inside there. This is from the company MTRVR. And check out this case. Very nice little case on this thing. And just open it. It feels kind of like maybe a synthetic leather type feeling. Very nicely packaged here. I've actually not even opened this, so you guys are seeing it for the first time I'm seeing it. Taking it out right here. We don't want to lose our plastic here. We are on the river. Looks like they give you a little thank you card right there. Set that aside. Set the user manual aside. We don't need that. Oh, that's very high quality webbing. Dual webbing. Very sturdy webbing. Wow, look how, oh my God, look at that. I'm doing this one hand, everybody. There's the cardboard. We'll put that aside. This might be one of the easiest chairs I've ever set up. It just folds out like that. Let me set the camera up and let's see how well we can set this up. Basically, you just fold the legs out pretty quickly. It looks like it's in 25 different languages. How about that? Goes just like that. That pulls out like that. That pulls out. And when you pull it out, it locks into place just like that. Wow. That might be the fastest chair I've ever assembled. That is crazy, everybody. It has a rubber feet on it, so I am out here on the side of the river on these rocks, and it seems to lock in nicely on that. Check that out. And just sitting down in it, let me sit down in it here. Oh yeah. The back is a little short on it, but I don't see any issues at all. I could easily just sit out here and fish or just chill out on the water. I don't see any issues with this chair at all. Yeah, it's got a little side pocket right here. No pocket on the left, on the right side, but there's a pocket on the left side. This is actually a really comfortable chair. You can sit on the side like this. Feels sturdy. I don't see any issues with this thing. To collapse it down, just mash these buttons right here and slide it in very quickly. Folds up just like that. The legs fold back in. You go around. How does that go? This goes out here like this. Goes around. This might be the fastest chair I've ever been able to put together. I challenge you guys, tell me where there's a faster chair to set up and break down than this thing. This was super simple. The fabric feels something like a ripstop nylon type fabric. Very nice, easy to wash off if you need to wash it off. And I got mine in black, but I think it does come in different colors. Highly recommend the MTRVR, maybe MT River chair. How about that? You know what, I'm on the river, so it might be a river chair. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the MTRVR collapsible mini chair. That thing's like the size of my hand almost. See you on the next video.